Guys, real quick video on my 2019 Ram 1500 Laramie. I did a muffler and resonator delete, and I want you guys to hear it. I'm gonna do a quick video of what I have. The Ram has 3 resonators, one in the front. You got the muffler, and then you got the 2 resonators that go to the tips. Here's one of the tips, and as you can see, I took that resonator off, the resonator on the other side, and the muffler in the middle. That's all I did. And this is what you get. There's a cold start. Inside. Now you can see how it sounds. A lot of people have been asking, you know, how a car sounds once it drives with muffler and resonator delete. Well, let's hear it.
System ready.
You can see once it revs down, you don't hear anything. It's silent, it's quiet, it's nice. Got a little rumble. It's once you take off and it changes those first 2 gears. There you go. Going around the block. Alright guys, I hope this helps something. Gives you an idea of how the car sounds with no muffler and no 2 resonators. Alright? Thank you.